Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Fit to Fight. I'm gonna look at a really quick, cheap, easy way to make a heavy bag. Everybody's a little stir crazy at home. We've been doing some workouts online and things. And some folks have asked about some heavy bag stuff. We don't have heavy bags, so here we go. There are definitely more complicated, nicer, fancier ways to do this, but I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible and maybe things people have in their homes already. So grab an old duffel bag. If you can get to like an Army Navy store and grab a canvas duffel bag, that would be awesome. I have one. It's at home. Just didn't have it here. But this one's going to work fine. The reason that I picked this one out of some other ones that I maybe have on hand is it has a strap on the end. It also has this if I needed to. Got some sand. This could be rocks. This could be dirt, whatever. Just something to add a little weight to the end of the bag. I put it in a Ziploc bag, and I put another Ziploc bag over top of it, and then just super it off with some duct tape. Threw a contractor trash bag inside. I've already kind of gotten it started with some pine shavings. I think this thing of pine shavings cost me $7 at Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off, and obviously you'll have to play with it in terms of how much fill you want in your bag. You can always add more or take more out, or take some out if you needed to. I'm gonna add a good bit to this one, I think. Hopefully it'll seal off. And then once you get this in, I'm just going to tie the bag off. Obviously you can zip tie it or whatever you need it to do to make sure that it's secure. So I'm just going to tie a knot, try to get some air out of here. Tie a knot in the bag. I'm here at the training center, so I'm fortunate that I've got some monkey bars that I can hang this from, but you could just as easily throw it over a steady tree branch if you don't have anything in your home like a pull-up bar or something like that to work with. I'm using a flat bungee cord to do this. Rope would be fine. You could kind of hang it with a belt. I mean, pretty much anything will work that's going to have some kind of sturdiness to it, because it is going to take some abuse. Sandbag into the bottom. Depending on how much work you're going to do here, you may need to zip tie your zippers together so they don't start moving around on you. I'm going to skip that step for the interest of brevity. And let's go test it out. What's up, Princess? So I've just wrapped the bungee cord around a few times here. Again, make do with what you've got. And there's your 10-minute heavy bag.